Dear students of class here, today I am going to start chapter number 12, that is known as friction. In this chapter you will learn about the friction. Actually, what is friction? Friction is a force which start when two surfaces come contact to each other and it opposes the motion. Now the friction force can arise generally with two conditions, two factors affecting the friction. One is the weight of the body moving over another, other is the nature of surface is in contact. When I told you when two surfaces come contact to each other, the frictional force is getting produced. So here again I am telling you, the two surfaces coming contact to each other, if they are smooth, less friction will be produced. If they are more rough, there more friction will get produced. Now the types of friction, one is the static friction. Static friction start when body will be in static position or in stationary position. For example, suppose a box in one position, again it is producing static friction. Next is the opposite thing, kinetic friction. When a body start moving and produce force, it is known as the kinetic friction. Other kind of friction is known as sliding friction. The friction force that comes into play when something starts sliding. When something starts sliding by pushing, here you can see a man which slide the box and then sliding friction is getting produced. Rolling friction is getting produced when something being rolled, either round thing or a wheel and all, something you are rolling it for easier way to carry, that time rolling friction is getting produced. Once you come to this page, one ball bearing structure has been given and one wheel also given, like your trolley bag and all having wheels. Ball bearings, they have got many rollers inside. After that, inside once they will roll, the rolling friction will produce and it will minimize the frictional force also. Here is come to know friction in daily life. Our day-to-day life, friction is very much necessary because once you walk on the ground, your feet should hold the ground, otherwise you may slip. So because of that, your shoe has got many grooves cut. Even slipper also coming first time, it is having many grooves. After using it after longer period, then it is spoil. But in beginning stage, the slippers are all shoes and are having good grips, like tires and all in the vehicles, to hold the ground properly. Here you can see the structure of a tire given. In new type tire, they are having many grooves. When it is running on the road, it is spoil after some time. So again they are purchasing the new kinds of the tires. Now, does friction have a disadvantage? Yes, friction has also got disadvantage because it is producing heat in our machine parts and it may causes wear and tear to the machine's parts. Because friction produces heat, as I told you, then parts will also move each other. After that they will produce heat, so it is going to harm us. So this way friction is having one disadvantage to us. Same way you see time to time for reducing the friction, we are using some machine oil, greases to put them in machines time to time so they can lubricate the parts and less friction will take place. Here you can see one carom board diagram given. While playing the carom board, generally we are habit to pour some powder on this. This is just because to reduce the friction and water, this powder can reduce the friction, so coin can run and striker also move properly on the carom board. Here is the given question answer ablation. You can see the question answer here. 3 questions given here, and you can go through these questions. Other question I marked here. See the pages where question answers are marked. Here is the keywords and some question answer also marked. Top side I made it cross because it has become wrong. Long answer 1 answer is given here, short answer 4. In keywords you can get short answer 1, very short answer 7, very short answer 2. This diagram tick mark, so you can make the aeroplane diagram in your copy on left pages. Here you can come and see many question answers are marked properly. You can go through it and do it in your copy properly. Fill in the blanks, true, false as you know, and match the column and all. You are doing in book only. Remaining question answer you can go and do in copy properly like last time you have done before half early examination. So see here and do all the question answer which is marked here in your copy. Here also one more page, that is only exercises given. You can see the exercises. Tick marks has been done for you. Do it in book only and learn also. One question mark in the top side of points to remember. In that also you can do. So same way you can complete this exercise or lesson in your copy. Don't do exercises, only question answer you do in your copy. Thank you very much.